ABC News.
The machine just kind of caught fire. Not sure how it happened. They were just getting ready for the national anthem, and everyone's attention quickly was diverted.
Well, that was not the fiery start to the football game that many were hoping for. A piece of pyrotechnic equipment burst into flames just ahead of the national anthem. This happening at the Colts-Titans game in Nashville earlier today. Luckily, stadium employees extinguished the flames before there was any danger to the players or to the fans. And new at 6:30, 1 year after Hurricane Florence devastated a North Carolina neighborhood, people there are now celebrating a new beginning. Habitat for Humanity unveiled 4 new homes this weekend for families in Wilmington. The organization says the entire community pitched in to help complete the project, from fixing the damage to creating a new sense of hope for those affected.
The way we end a week like that is with a celebration of what the community can do when we all come together and try and make things better.
Now, the houses are ready to live in, so families can move right in right away and start a new chapter in their lives. It's really good to see that.
Yeah, no, and 1 year later, I mean, there's a lot to rebuild, and it's a step in the right direction for sure.
There's also a lot of relief around the coast now with Umberto kind of swinging out there.
To sea. Now, unless for folks in Bermuda, those are the ones that need to watch for the middle of the week. But for the southeastern United States, for the continental United States, we're good to go on this storm, so that's good news. Hey, I want to talk about this. I did a little tweet earlier. I did a little Brittany.
Yes.
Oops, we did it
again. Did it again? Oh,
we hit 90 today. I was going for the mid-upper 90s. We hit 90 again
hit
today.
Me, baby, one more time.
Yeah, hit me, baby, one more time. But I thought it would be tomorrow. I think we will do it again tomorrow, but believe it or not, at 3:26 downtown today, the summer that just keeps on giving, we are now up to, get this, 56 90-degree or greater days since 2019. 56. Now, average each year is about 36 90-degree days or more each year. So this year, obviously exceeding the average by 20 days. Last year at this point, we had 44. The record is 67, so don't think it'll be record-breaking, but I think tomorrow we'll be at 57 with another 90-degree day in the books. Bay Bridge, nice little boat out there. We're looking westward there. So a lot of folks working their way across the western span to work their way back probably to work over on the water. 85 in Annapolis and just delightful. 87 still in the city right now. 84 Quantico, 83 Warrenton, Winchester 81, Leesburg 81, 79 right now down in Leonardtown. And here's the nice part of the day. Even though it was 90 degrees, our dew points in the 40s and 50s. The air is dry. Now, the exception being still a little bit of mugginess, still hanging tough. Fredericksburg, dew point at 66, Leonardtown at 68. So down south and east, a little mugginess lingers, but around here, our air is pretty dry. That'll allow those temperatures to drop back tonight. And even though tomorrow we're anticipating another 90-degree day, it should be fairly comfortable. Temperatures will drop into the 60s later tonight as we head through the overnight. 67 when you wake up tomorrow downtown, but some upper 50s. Winchester, Leesburg, 63 in Leonardtown. Kiddos, it's going to be a warm one tomorrow at recess. Temperatures flirting with 90 degrees tomorrow afternoon, but I do think that humidity stays in check. So we'll be around 90. The humidity is not going to make it feel any hotter. So 90 will feel like 90 tomorrow as we do have continuation there of that September sizzler. 78 on Tuesday, a mix of clouds and some sunshine. Our front does come through. Could bring a sprinkle or two to the south. Otherwise, just some clouds around. Notice we'll go from the 90 degrees to the 70s. And then for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and beyond, the back half of the week, the trend is very nice. Look at these numbers. Average is 80, and man, we're going to see some much cooler weather. So you can see how we're going to see some changes there as we move forward in the next 5 days or so. Your extended forecast here showing a hot Monday, but humidity in check. And then look at that, 78 Tuesday,
Pretty.
77 Wednesday, Thursday,
wow.
Low 80s Friday. Next weekend looking sunny and dry, so good news there. But we could be back to near 90 again. As I said, tomorrow, our 57th, 10 days away from the record of number of 90-degree days. We're not trying to get there, but I'm just saying we're inching a little closer.
That's just kind of the weather. You can just kind of kick back in your hammock and
relax.
Do the forecast from there,
exactly.
Right? Well,
back to you.
So, oops, you did it again. It looks like the Redskins were doing the same thing again, too.
Yep, same old Redskins, and all eyes was on that Redskins home opener today. Not the result Skins fans wanted. Their hated rival, the Dallas Cowboys, leaving Landover with a win, and we'll tell you what the mood was like inside that locker room with Robert Burton. That's next in sports. Stay with us.
When I went to the Good Feet store, I had a free consultation, free fittings. They allowed me to try on the arch supports, and I started sobbing because I had no pain.
See if they work for you with a free fitting and test walk at the Good Feet store.
Something I want to show you. Are you curious? Don't care about the people
7-passenger Infiniti QX60. Luxury should be lived in. Lease the all-wheel drive Infiniti QX60 for $399 a month or finance at 1.9% APR. Visit your local Infiniti retailer.
At Sinclair, we have partnered with Dale Carnegie for 20 years. We find their leadership principles to be timeless.
Best-in-class facilitators, this change is inevitable.
Dale Carnegie training gets to the core of relationship management.
Friendly, engaging, and make the classroom experience fun as well as educational. They have delivered.
It's proven, it's been out there for a long time, and it ties directly into what Barron's Lumber is trying to achieve.
Dale Carnegie, take command.